What is the fundamental charge? It's the charge on an electron, 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs, also the charge on a proton, elementary charge. What is Coulomb's law? Well, it's the force between any two charges. It is K, Q1, Q2 over R squared. K is the constant, 9 times 10 to the ninth, easy to remember. Q is measured in coulombs, or often microcoulombs, and R is the distance. But I would suggest that most of your questions would end up being F1 over F2 is D2 squared over D1 squared. You would use ratios. What is the definition of the electric field? And the answer is the electric field, which is a vector, is the force per charge, newtons per coulomb. It is a vector, and you test with a positive test charge. So then we say, what is the electric field at a distance d from a charge? Well, there's our test charge. There's Q, the big source charge, Q, little q, the test charge. There's distance r, or d. And E is F over Q, that's by our definition. But the force is K, QQ over R squared, divide by the test charge Q, and here's the electric field at a distance r from a source charge big Q, KQ over R squared. What is the resistance in a wire? Now, this is something that is new. I didn't cover this before. And the answer is the resistance would depend upon several things. One, the kind of material, and they use a constant called resistivity, rho, and it depends on L, the length of the wire. Obviously, the longer the wire, the more resistance. And A is the cross-sectional area. So that it would be there, if I was using a round wire, it would be pi r squared. If you were using a rectangular wire or square wire, this here is the area you use. So it's rho L over A. Rho is the resistivity. It's just a constant. And the resistance depends upon the length divided by the cross-sectional area.